Hello there everyone. I was taking a little course on API development on YouTube, and I decided to replicate the SMS API for AfricasTaking. It's really basic stuff to what AfricasTaking offer, but I built a basic SMS API that functions well. It's not live, by the way, and let me show you how it works. So you can see here I have set up my Flask server. It's entirely coded in Flask. Let me first take you through on our code in Python. It's written in Python. As you know, Flask is a lightweight framework for Python. So here I have defined a function with two parameters, and it will return this message sending SMS to phone number and the message. This will be logged into our computer if we send a message to these phone numbers. So here I have set up a route which says API/send with the post method. This is important because if you'll be testing this API via Postman, you need to set the headers like methods, HTTP methods like post, get, batch, or anything like that. So here I have defined the SMS API function. With the data, I'll be requesting a JSON object, and the phone number, it will be any phone number the user has on their phone, but as I told you earlier, this is a basic stuff compared to the AfricasTaking API that it offers, and the message will be getting the message directly from the data object. So here I have did some basic validation where if you do not fill in one of the fields of phone number or the message, it will return a JSON with an error phone number or message are required, and or else we send the success and you send the SMS, which will be this function with the parameters of the phone numbers we have inserted. So once the message is successfully sent, we will append the phone number and the message to store them in our SMS logs in this list so that we can keep track of the messages. It's like a minimal database for our messages and the users, and it will return JSON file, a JSON object that has a status of message sent successfully with a 200 OK message, or else it will return an error to send failed to send message. So here is how we can get the SMS logs by going to this route on our curl. So here you can see I have the my server already running, and let me go to my git bash so you can see I've been testing it. It works successfully. So if I again, let me change here the number, plus 256707 522509. Then we send this text message from AfricasTaking future company. Okay, so when I send this message, you can see I'm using a curl text format. So when I send this message, it will say message sent successfully, and back to our server you can see here it has logged sending SMS to the phone number I have just inserted and the message I have updated. So Here it has a 200 OK message, and let's see our logs. So again, let me delete this stuff. So remember, we have the root of getting our SMS logs. So we have to route to that SMS, to pass the route, and we have to change the HTTP method to get. Done. So you can see this is returning an HTML page for the what? For the Flask, but you can see I have an error when I type the SMS logs. It must be an underscore to display our logs, and that should do it. So you can see I have a message which we have just sent. Successfully built a simple SMS API using Flask. Let me know what you think down.